Today's Murli, 14th August 2021, Bap Dada Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, you know the incognito secret of the drama of how this confluence age is the age of ascending and that the degrees then continue to decrease from the golden age. Question. What is the most elevated service and who can do that service? Answer. To make Bharat into heaven, to make beggars into princes and impure ones pure is the most elevated service. No one but the one Father can do such service. It is because the Father did such elevated service that children maintain his honor. First of all, you build the Somnath temple to him and worship him. Song. At last, the day for which we had been waiting has come. Murli's important points. The Father says, just as you are incognito, I too have to come down in an incognito way. I do not enter the jail of Om. My name has always only been Shiva. When I enter this one, my name doesn't change. The Father comes to make Bharat wealthy from poor once again. You would say that your Bharat is poor. Everyone knows this, but no one knows when or how our Bharat was wealthy. The Father says, the deities of the golden age have no knowledge of the creator or creation. They don't know the beginning, middle or end. The Father says, the Krishna soul has taken 84 births. The one who was number one is now here at the end, and the same applies to you. I enter an ordinary body. I come and tell you how you experience 84 births. The Father explains to you children that you were the masters of the world. You now understand that Baba is the one who establishes heaven, and so why should we not be in heaven? We will definitely claim our inheritance from the Father. You souls say that the unlimited Father comes and does the most elevated service. He makes us into kings from paupers, from beggars into princes. No one else honors the one who makes Bharat into heaven. At the time when Krishna exists, there are a few impure people. When the impure ones are completely finished, he sits on the throne, he claims his kingdom, and then his era begins. The era begins with Lakshmi and Narayan. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First point. While keeping the knowledge of the Creator and creation in your intellect, make effort to become Satopradhan. Only have the one concern that you definitely have to become Satopradhan. Second point, keep this unlimited drama in your intellect and maintain infinite happiness. In order to attain honor equal to the fathers, do the service of making impure ones pure. Blessing. May you be ever ready and pass with full marks any paper of any situation and thereby become ever happy. The practical form of those who are ever ready is being ever happy. Any paper that comes through any situation, through natural calamities, or through any suffering of karma with their bodies, those who pass with full marks, any of these papers are said to be ever ready. Just as time does not wait for anyone, in the same way, no obstruction should stop you. Finish any subtle or physical obstacles of Maya in a second, and you will then be able to stay ever happy. Slogan: to use all your powers at the appropriate time means to be a master, almighty authority. अच्छा, ओम शांति।